OpenSky doesn't automatically guarantee a graduation to an unsecured card, and many accounts stay secured unless they meet internal upgrade criteria set by the issuer. By the end, you'll know what OpenSky looks for before upgrading you, what actually improves your chances, and the steps you can take to move from secured to unsecured status. First thing to understand is how the secured structure works. Your OpenSky card is backed by a security deposit, and that deposit is what defines your credit limit. Until the issuer decides you qualify for an upgrade, that structure stays in place. The biggest factor that influences graduation is payment history. Consistently paying on time shows lower risk behavior, and that's the main signal issuers use when evaluating whether to move someone to an unsecured product. Credit utilization also matters. Keeping your balance low compared to your limit shows responsible usage. High or maxed out usage every month can signal risk and slow down any upgrade consideration. Account age is another factor. New accounts typically need time before any review for changes happens. The system needs enough payment history data before it can evaluate whether you qualify for better terms. Another key point is account behavior overall. Things like missed payments, returned payments, or disputes can reduce your chances of being considered for graduation. Even if everything is paid off later, the negative activity still stays in the account history. Some users assume graduation is automatic after a certain period, but that's not how OpenSky works. Upgrades are discretionary, meaning they depend on internal review rather than a fixed timeline. If you want to improve your chances, the most effective strategy is simple. Keep the account active, pay on time every month, and avoid carrying high balances. That combination builds the strongest profile for review. If you've had the card for a while and haven't seen any upgrade options, you can contact support to ask if your account is eligible for a product change or unsecured transition. In some cases, accounts are reviewed manually when requested. If graduation isn't offered, another path is closing the secured account in good standing and applying for an unsecured card elsewhere, using the positive payment history you've built as leverage. To summarize, OpenSky graduation depends on payment history, utilization, and internal review, rather than automatic upgrades. The best way to improve your chances is consistent on-time payments and responsible usage. Your next step is to check your account history and focus on maintaining clean behavior before requesting an upgrade review. If this helped you understand how graduation works, like the video and subscribe for more clear credit building breakdowns like this.